Alright guys, checking back. So guys, so we have some fresh catch fish here that we actually catch last night, and we was gonna fry them up on the HQ, but because it was so late, we didn't get back in until around 10:30, 11 o'clock Friday night, so we couldn't get to do it there, and it's been raining all weekend, so we bring home the fish, and now we're gonna fry them up here and show you guys what they look like. The way I'm gonna do these fish today, guys, are a little bit different from normal. So I want you guys to watch and see what I'm gonna be doing with these fish here today, guys. Yes, so we're gonna make these for lunch. So yeah, so we're gonna put some black pepper, right? And don't watch a portion, guys. You might think it's a lot, but just watch and see what I'm gonna be doing. And here we're gonna put some all-purpose, right? Gonna be putting some all-purpose on here, right? And then we're gonna actually put some Maggi and some season to the bone. Yeah, so Maggi and season to the bone, that mixed together here, guys. All right, and then we're gonna add just a little bit of salt. I know this seasoning them having salt, but we're gonna still add a little bit of salt in there, just like that, guys. And watch this now, guys. So we're gonna take this now, guys, and we're gonna actually put it over the sink and catch some water on it. So not too much water, but that amount, guys. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna dive in here with my hand because they're already cleaned up and washed already and ready to go from the HQ one again. So what we're gonna be doing with it, guys, we're gonna soak them in here like this, right? And I'm gonna explain the reason why I did it like this, guys. You know, sometimes when you fry some fish and all of the seasoning and stuff like that burn before the fish actually nice and golden brown, that the way how you want it. So this is the ideal way how to do it, guys. So all of these seasoning that you see that I pour on here gonna soak right into the fish. So what I'm gonna do in the meanwhile, guys, I'm gonna actually let this sit while I get the oil. Right, get the electric frying pan here going, right? I have some garlic and some pepper, scotch bonnet pepper in there, and we're gonna make that hot, guys, and then I'm gonna get the rest of the ingredients to make that escovitch sauce, you know, the onion and the carrot and all that stuff cut up. And while the oil is getting hot, we're gonna make this go and marinate in the seasoned water, and then I will show you guys the golden result afterwards. All right, guys, let's stay tuned, guys. Check in, guys, check in. So all right, I know everybody want to see how am I gonna actually put these in the hot oil here, guys, and get them fried. So check this out now, guys. So all you gotta do, guys, is do like this and shake the water off. You cannot be scared or anything like that when you're doing this, guys, but trust me, you will see the results. See that, guys? Voila, just like that, right? Just like that, guys. You don't have to scared of it or anything like that. Just shake the water off, guys. That's all you gotta do. Shake the water off. There you go. Just like that. Just like that, guys. Another piece. Yeah, man. Just like that, guys, just like that. So this, guys, so just stick and steer, and you're going to roll back a little piece of clip of how we catch these fish here, guys. So just stay tuned, sit back and relax and watch how we catch these fish that we're preparing right now, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, check in. So here you guys have it. So yeah, so this is what we're after, guys. These are called the purge, guys. Yes, these are called the purge. So I will show you. These ones, guys, they doesn't get bigger than this, right? They doesn't get bigger than this. You may get a few of them a little bit bigger, but yeah, so these are what they call the purge, guys. So yeah, this is a good little fryer. So we're gonna keep this one. All right, guys, so just stay tuned for more epic catch. All right, guys, Stick and stay, guys. Stick and stay. Have it. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this monster right here, guys. You guys see this? This is what I am talking about, guys. This is a monster. A monster in this, guys. Look at this. Woo! That is what I'm talking about. This is it. Alright? This is it, guys. This is it. Alright, guys. Let's stick and stay. And some more epic catch, guys. This is a largemouth bass, guys. Largemouth bass. So yeah, man, stick and stay, guys. Stick and stay, you know. All right. Yes, guys. Another one. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Yeah, you catch some, you lose some. See, you take my hook, everything, guys. But that's the way it is. You know, that's the way it is. All right, guys. Stick and stay for more action, guys. Stick and stay for more action. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So, all right, guys. So we said we are come actually catch Sunday dinner. You know, some fish for Sunday dinner, guys. And yes, so we had catch a little stringer here, guys. Yeah, we already cleaned them up. A little stringer here that we're gonna actually bring home and get fried up and escovitch up. I don't know what Sue gonna do with them, but yeah. So this is it, guys. And it's getting dark now, but we're gonna fish a little bit more and see what we can catch in another half an hour or so, guys. But this is what we catch so far. This is the catch so far, guys. So the stick and stay, guys. And remember, if you tell a friend about the DS Family Lifestyle vlog, that we are doing great over here, guys. This one, trust me, guys, it was a good afternoon. We come out and do the fishing, guys. It was great. So yeah, man. So yes, this is the catch so far, guys. It's a big monster right here. Yeah, man, about 2 pounder. Yeah. So stick and stay, guys. Stick and stay. All right. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, one more again, guys. One more. Camera. Yes, guys, look at this jumbo right here, guys. Look at that. Guys. Yes. But this one here, guys, we're gonna actually put him back in the water. We're not gonna keep this one. We're gonna put him back, right? So yeah, he's small, so we're gonna toss him back in the water, and then we're gonna go again. All right, guys, stick and stay for more action, guys. Stick and stay for more action, you know. We're gonna work the rod. Have another half an hour before it even get more dark. So let's work it, you know. All right, guys, stick and stay. Guys, just guys, checking box. All right, guys, I'm gonna taste a piece of the fish right now. Let you guys know what it tastes like. I have a little piece here in my hand. This could be dark. Yeah. Tell the guy. See it, yeah? So that bigger one, I'm gonna slice it up, guys. Man. I'll give you guys have it. Eat some of this. Remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to DS Family. If you like this content that we're putting out, tell a friend if you tell a friend. Alright? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really appreciate you guys' love and support. Blessing, guys, and peace out. And I will catch you guys in another one.